Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Park on a level surface and set the parking brake, then loosen lug nuts before raising the Jeep with a jack and secure it on stands. Loosen lug nuts and lift vehicle, torque lug nuts to 100 ft-pounds when reinstalling. Remove the wheel, locate the caliper, and remove the two caliper guide bolts with an 18 mm socket. Use a small container to catch brake fluid drips and inspect pad backing for wear. Replace pads if thickness is 3 mm or less. Keep hardware organized for reassembly. Before installing new pads, open the brake fluid reservoir cap to relieve pressure and monitor fluid level while compressing pistons. Compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp until it is flush with the bore. Install new brake pads with fresh shim plates and apply anti-squeal compound to the pad backing. Reposition the caliper over the new pads and reinstall the guide bolts, hand-threading first to avoid cross-threading. Tighten caliper guide bolts to 30 ft-pounds and torque to specification. Then inspect the rotor surface for grooving, runout, and thickness. Measure against the manual and replace rotors if below the manufacturer's minimum thickness. Clean the rotor surface with brake cleaner and install it with correct seating. Torque wheel bolts in a star pattern. Torque lug nuts to 100 ft-pounds in a star pattern. After lowering the vehicle, pump the brake pedal until firm and check fluid level. Road test braking gently for 10 miles to bed pads and recheck torque and fluid level after the test.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.